Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. Are you wondering if you can deposit a check on Cash App? Many users want to know if they can use their Cash App to deposit it directly, whether it's a personal check, a paycheck, or a cashier's check. In this video, we'll explain if this is possible, what types of checks are accepted, and how the mobile check deposit feature works step by step. To get the correct information, we visited the official Cash App website where the mobile check deposit feature is explained in detail. According to the official explanation, yes, you can deposit checks on Cash App, but only 4 types of checks are accepted. These include paychecks, personal checks, cashier's checks, government-issued checks. These are the 4 types of checks you can deposit into your Cash App. Other types of checks are not accepted by Cash App. They have clearly mentioned that we do not accept savings bonds, money orders, credit advancement checks, or checks written from your own personal bank account. Next, they have explained the step-by-step process to deposit checks into Cash App. Step 1. Tap Money tab on your Cash App home screen. Step 2. Select Deposit Check. Step 3. Take a clear picture of the front and back of your check. Step 4. Follow the rest of the prompts. After depositing your check, you will need to keep it in a safe place for at least 14 days. Your check must be under 180 days old, properly endorsed, and meet all other requirements to be successful. Then they've listed a few precautions to keep in mind while depositing your check. They mentioned that checks must be endorsed to be eligible for mobile check deposit. Incorrectly endorsing your check can delay processing your check or make it unable to be deposited at all. Use blue or black ink. Sign the back of your check. Write Cash App deposit under your signature. They also talk about fees and limitations and how long it takes for your check to clear. You can find the full article linked in the video description if you want to read everything in detail for yourself. So, this is how you can easily deposit your checks using Cash App.